What's up, guys? I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here we have this Dashcam by Rovi that we sell at 1aauto.com. It's got a screen on the back. It mounts directly to the windshield, camera on the front. It comes with a micro 8GB SD card. Also comes with the charger cable and this cable to mount to your PC. It's 1080 HD. It's got Wi-Fi capability and impact detection. Get yours at 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.